You can earn up to $500 by following these very simple steps. If you're excited to learn about these steps, don't worry, I'll show you how. Just keep watching to make sure you don't miss anything. The first thing you should do is grab your phone and go straight to the Google Play Store to download this app for free. Imagine earning this much money with no selling, no video, and a very basic setup. This is a very quick and simple process from start to finish that takes only minutes of your time. It doesn't matter where you come from, but if you have a mobile phone, you can start earning that amount right now. I'll also be giving you tips to double or even triple your money. But before we go further to this video, welcome to our channel where we will teach you the best tips and tricks to make money online. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. The first method for making money online today is to use FOAP, which is essentially an app that has a big collection of millions of various high-performance and high-resolution photographs on the internet. Every day, hundreds of thousands of people visit the FOAP in search of different photos to acquire. The second group on the phone is the seller, who is essentially selling images straight through the app. This is precisely how you may benefit from this app. You won't have to shoot any images yourself. And you won't need any graphic design skills. You won't have to go on a camera, and you won't even need any technical experience. Keep watching and I'll show you exclusive websites where you can find tons of automated photographs that you can simply re-upload and post on Photo. By the time you finish watching this video, you could be making your first few dollars in no time. Go to foap.com and click on Submit Your Brand Brief button. Then click on Sell Your Content in the upper right column within the For Creator button. This will take you to a page where you can see how you can make money with your videos and photos. You can get the full app on your iOS or Android device. If you have an Android phone, simply go to the Google Play Store and search FOAP. If you have an iPhone, simply go to the App Store and download the FOAP for free. And without further ado, I'd like to show you the entire library available to the FOAP website. As you can see, there are a lot of high-resolution and high-quality images for sale on this website. And they're generating a lot of money passively. What's even more amazing and cool about this app is that even if you upload the photos on this platform in the next few days or years, you will still be able to receive commission and money from this website, because the photos that you upload and post are full. And every month, millions of visitors go on to browse around shopping for different photos to purchase. Take note that you're not required to create or take any photographs. Let's pretend this is one of the photographs that people are selling on the website. Typically, every single photo states a charge of $20 USD. And right here is another example of a photo with the same $20 price tag. And you might be wondering how much money you can make right now from this website. Given that the photographs are not as cheap as you think they are, he can actually post your videos and photographs and generate income as easily as that. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. As a side note, they're going to split the profit, with 50 going to the full account and 50 going to your account, which is fair enough. The reason they're taking 50% of your profit is because they'll automatically sell the image for you, which is critical because FOAP is a well-known platform that works with a lot of well-known businesses and has millions of visitors. So they'll automatically assist you in marketing and selling the different images you publish. All you have to do is copy and paste the photographs into this platform, and you'll be able to earn money passively. Also, I'd like to show you something incredibly cool about this website. You can now do more than just sell your images. You can also engage in multiple tasks or missions. For example, this mission has a cash reward of over $50, and this mission has a cash reward of $600. And there are so many different missions that you can join in, and you can all go every week. You can join a variety of missions, and you can quickly post different images depending on the team assigned to you when you submit different photos for different missions. Given that you have a chance to win and earn real money, you can go to Shutterstock.com, which is very similar to Photoshop in terms of functionality. People come here every day to buy different pictures because they have a large library of varied high-quality and high-resolution photos. You could be the one to join and upload some photos to Shutterstock as well. And you will be able to earn hundreds of dollars as a result. Upload to the photo. And the more websites you join up for, the more money you'll make, because some people will go to Folk to buy your images and others will go to Shutterstock to buy them. Using this exact method, we can essentially copy and paste different photographs and generate various types of passive revenue. To get started right now, simply click this button once more, which will take you to this page where you can sign up for a free account by entering your email address and choosing a password. To sign up for a free account, simply enter your email address and chosen password. Now here are the websites where you can freely download high-quality photos. The website is none other than Shopify.com. You can find different high-quality and high-resolution photos on this website. There are so many different categories to choose from. You can see here, there's super high quality, and the thing is you don't have to invest in it. And these are all the images that we can download with just one click of a button using our phone or computer. There are so many pictures right here that you can choose from. There is a high resolution and low resolution. But I strongly advise you to download the high resolution in order to get paid on various websites. There is also another option available for you, which is PicWizard.com, where you can get a variety of high-quality and free stock photographs with over 1 million different high-quality photos that are amazingly free. Let's say I click on this photo right here, and it takes me to this website where I can choose to download it to my phone or computer by clicking on any of the download buttons. After that, you'll need to upload it to Shutterstock using Folk.com, where I can earn various royalty commissions and passive revenue on a daily basis. And that's it. If you love videos like this, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.